So looking back in 2003, basically, and for maybe approximately the next 15 years, there was pretty much 100% dedication to SAP Business One, right? We had kind of one thing in our suitcase, but things have changed, right? And we've added a lot of new things, a lot of new products. Talk to us a little bit about what that sort of collection looks like today, comparison to.
I will point out, Carl, too, that since the early days and even pre-Business One, there's been a piece of the business that still exists today, and we call that enterprise and e-government. But we have for a long time had a sort of consulting practice where we dealt with government and some large enterprise that were product agnostic. So that still exists today. And without that practice, that gave us the seeds to invest in our foray into the ERP world. But you're right. I mean, since from 2003 onwards, for a long time, came to ERP, Vision33 was Business One, and Business One was Vision33. It was synonymous. We've had some of our own products in there from those early days, but I think a big shift in the fairly recent past. So when you think about ERP, there's Business One, and then we took on the SAP Business by Design product, native cloud product for small to mid-market too by SAP. We took that on. We had some stops and starts with that over the years, as you well know, but we had the last few years, we've had a vibrant practice. We've done a significant acquisition in that space last year. So we had that product. And then on the SAP side now, this year in 2023, we're launching into SAP's flagship born in the cloud, it's called SAP S/4HANA Public Edition. So a multi-tenant offering based on S/4HANA cloud technology, and really designed to kind of get down in some lower spaces. So we're really thrilled and excited to be getting on board with that. It's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. It's going to take a lot of investment. So we're working towards a certification, near-term certification to really start to sell that. So when you think about it, then we'll have, from a channel and a partner perspective, we'll have all three products in our bag. We'll have Business One, we'll have By Design, and we'll have S4 Public. So I think that that is significant, and it's a very different world for Vision33 from where we were 5 years ago. On top of that, we've had a legacy Sage practice in-house for 20 plus years as well. But 2 to 3 years ago, we piloted Sage's flagship product called Intact, and last year we rolled that out in all our geographies. So that's the fourth ERP product that we sell to, Sage Intact flagship from Sage. So it's a great product, and where it fits really well. It's a nice complement to Business One. There's not a whole lot of overlap on that side, and we'll look to great things and growth from that too. And I'll mention too that these products are offered and overlap into all of our major geographies, which is not only the US, but Canada and the UK too, which is kind of where we've landed geographical wise over the years. And I think that's where we'll stay for the short term anyway. We've got enough on our plate now from that perspective. So that's the ERP product set, but then there's also, last year we started a human capital management practice as well. So there's two products in that bag. One that's kind of small to medium, called Bamboo HR. It's an American publisher, great complement for a lot of our ERP customers, or standalone. And then there's Success Factors, which is the mid to large enterprise, which we as Vision33 run ourselves. So now we have a full human capital management to complement and overlay all of the markets that we serve for ERP too.